There's a wild XRT lurking in the grass. He sees his prey. He goes for the attack.
No.
He goes for the attack. Oh! We have stumbled upon a possible cross the road jump here. We've got some massive soccer field action going on down here. And that way doesn't have much of a run up, so we're going to try coming up this way, up this hill.
You're going to give these people a show if you go down the hill. Barely in the air.
Nope. Should I just get right in the middle of these people's soccer game?
Just go take the ball from their soccer game. Trash bag mod.
I caught a bag.
He caught a bag. That's a good thing. New location. We're out here at Dyer Park. Amazing. That was good.
My God.
That was good. I want to go stand down here. Perfect landing.
That's not going to do anything.
Bro, I'm scared.
Compared to the XRT jumping over you. That's a 35-pound truck moving at, I don't know, 45 miles an hour on this one.
I got hand muscle.
Ready?
Yeah. Whoa! Now we got Bigfoot here. Yeah.
Going up and up. Oh, it's wanting to do a wheelie.
He's getting her up here. Tug. That was a hassle, but I think we're good. Ow. I just hit a rock in the face.
All right, here's a flyer.
Yeah, that's a little hopper.
I was supposed to lead the bunny hop. This is a bunch of barnacles.
Oh. I could not get grip. Denied.
I fell back over. Nice.
Yeah.
Bigfoot.
Should we test range?
Watch it die all the way over there. That's a lot of rain.
It's far away. See if I can keep it on the road. Coming back. Missed the trail. Oh! Wow. What am I doing pulling this cart? This thing can just pull it.
Yeah, for real.
But then I won't have any more juice.
That would be the perfect setup. We gotta make it happen.
I have that Velcro strap, but is it in this box? That's the question.
There it is right there. You're touching it.
Where?
Is that not it?
This? Oh.
Yeah.
Hey. Should we see if Bigfoot will do it?
Sure.
Let's see if Bigfoot will do it.
Can Bigfoot pull our trailer with a Velcro tow strap?
Yeah, next is to see how strong this Velcro is going to be.
Are we ready? All right.
All right, Bigfoot.
Can Bigfoot pull
Show
the
me
cart?
what you got.
Oh,
Hey.
yeah, Bigfoot. Yeah. And that's how we'll get there.
Good thing it's paved the whole way.
I know, right? Yeah, Bigfoot.
Hold on. Let me put Big Girl on there.
Oh, all right. Uh-oh. We had a malfunction.
Okay.
Now can it pull it with the XRT on there?
An extra 40 pounds.
Yep. No problem. No problem. Uh-oh.
Oh God, I'm trying. Oh God, oh God.
With jackknife. Yeah. No problem. Maybe people will love you now.
Come on, Bigfoot.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Bigfoot. Yeah. Burn some rubber. Oh wait, the handle's messed up.
Something happened.
Uh-oh. Overheat.
Oh, either that or she died. I mean, the motor is on fire.
Okay. You can probably stop.
So DSC just blinking red.
It's probably overheat.
Yeah, she's hot. Jesus. Well,
All right, we'll switch it up.
it was a tow pig for a minute, so it
We
worked.
got that far. That's pretty good. Now we only have double that. We'll switch it up here.
Oh, we're gonna watch the XRT pull this. Like nothing. Like nothing.
I'm just barely even touching the throttle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bigfoot is so much fun. Whoa! Sorry, bro.
I just dodged some rocks. Wow.
Yeah. Bro, we get some idle this one.
Oh, huge jump.
Bigfoot baptism. Here comes Nick on Bigfoot. Oh, it broke something as soon as you hit the jump. Drive shaft, I think.
As I went up, it broke.
But you still got some good height. Yeah. Hit it real quick. Oh, it's the skinny one. Good thing we bought the thick boy. Yeah. Yeah. No problem. Maybe people will love you now.